Did you know that as we age, the impact of our dietary choices becomes even more crucial, especially for those managing diabetes? Today, we delve into the top 5 morning drinks tailored to the unique needs of seniors navigating the intersection of aging and diabetes. Join us as we explore beverages that not only assist in blood sugar management but also offer a myriad of health benefits tailored to the aging body. The significance of these choices cannot be overstated, particularly for the increasing number of seniors worldwide facing the dual challenge of aging and diabetes. However, it's essential to be mindful of certain characteristics associated with these drinks. We'll discuss acidity levels that might affect tooth enamel, the importance of avoiding added sugars, and the optimal quantities to maximize benefits without overdoing it. Remember, it's not just about what you drink but precisely how you drink it. If you're curious about optimizing health in your golden years, eager to make informed choices, and seeking an extra advantage in your diabetes management journey, stay tuned till the very end for 2 fantastic free gifts designed exclusively for you. Let's kick off our list at number 5 with a morning classic, water with lemon. Starting the day with a glass of water infused with fresh lemon juice holds unique benefits for seniors managing diabetes. Lemons are not just a flavorful addition. They are laden with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a concern intricately tied to aging and diabetes complications. As we explore the science behind lemons, we'll uncover their role in enhancing glycemic control and insulin sensitivity, particularly crucial for seniors with type 2 diabetes. But the benefits don't stop there. Flavonoids in lemons, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory prowess, bring added advantages. However, it's important to be cautious of the acidic nature of lemons, which may challenge tooth enamel. We'll share practical tips to enjoy your lemon-infused water while safeguarding your dental health. Claiming the 4th spot is the robust and aromatic black coffee. For many seniors, the day doesn't truly begin until they've savored their morning cup. But did you know that black coffee, consumed without sugar and cream, offers genuine health boons, especially for blood sugar management? We'll explore the rich antioxidants, particularly chlorogenic acid, found in coffee beans, and their potential in improving blood sugar metabolism. As we discuss the benefits of black coffee, we'll also touch on its acidic nature and offer cautionary notes for seniors to preserve dental health and manage caffeine sensitivity. Taking the 3rd spot on our diabetes-conscious list is the rejuvenating chia seed water. Tailored for seniors vigilant about blood sugar levels, chia seed water might just be the morning kickstarter needed. We'll unravel the magic behind chia seeds, their soluble fiber content, and how it moderates sugar absorption, offering smoother blood sugar curves. Stay tuned as we discuss the rich minerals in chia seeds, including magnesium and calcium, and how they contribute to improved insulin function and appetite control for seniors aiming for weight management. Now, claiming the 2nd spot with a tangy twist is water with apple cider vinegar. The benefits of this sour tonic might surprise many seniors. We'll decode the magic behind apple cider vinegar, specifically its role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. A groundbreaking study highlights its effectiveness when consumed in the morning, emphasizing its potential in reducing postprandial blood glucose levels. We'll discuss how acetic acid in apple cider vinegar interferes with enzymes responsible for breaking down starches, moderating the release and absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. For seniors sensitive to its taste, we'll share tips to make this drink more palatable. And finally, claiming the top spot is the venerable green tea. With deep roots in traditional practices, green tea is heralded as the ultimate morning drink for seniors managing diabetes. We'll immerse ourselves in the myriad benefits, including powerful antioxidants known as catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, and their role in boosting insulin sensitivity. A comprehensive study spanning over 5 years and involving thousands of participants underscores the consistent benefits of green tea, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity for seniors already diagnosed. As we wrap up our exploration of the 5 best morning drinks for seniors managing diabetes, it's clear that nature has provided a range of beverages that tantalize the taste buds while aiding in blood sugar management. From the rejuvenating essence of green tea to the tangy hints of apple cider vinegar, these drinks can be powerful allies in your diabetes management journey. If you found value in this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. We're on a mission to spread awareness, and we'd love your support. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Do you have morning drink recipes of your own or personal experiences with any of the drinks we mentioned? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay connected, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy in your journey of aging and diabetes management.